Today we are making Cobb salad. I changed the recipe a little bit. I reduced bacon from my salad, but it has all kinds of other goodies, and it's going to be very fabulous, very delicious. You're going to be amazed how good it's going to turn out. I made this many times, but I decided to share this recipe, which is modified a little bit, and I'm sure if you follow this recipe, you're going to be amazed how good it's going to turn out. For my version of Cobb salad, we need oregano, olive oil, red wine vinegar, lettuce, dill, cucumber, avocado, onion, cherry tomato, feta cheese, black pepper, salt, chicken, hard-boiled eggs, and Kalamata olive.
Start by finely chopping half a red onion into smaller pieces. Slice the chicken in half, then cut it into small bite-sized cubes for quick and even cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of avocado oil in a large skillet over medium heat until shimmering and ready for cooking. Sautéing the onion until soft and fragrant. This helps onion to release the natural sugars. This will creating a deep, rich flavor when I add chicken to the pan to sauté. Season the chicken pieces with 1 teaspoon of freshly cracked black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt to build bold, savory flavor. Sauté the chicken pieces about 4 minutes until they are golden on the outside and fully cooked. Sample a piece of chicken to check the seasoning, then adjust the salt if needed. Now it's time to prep the remaining ingredients. Slice 1 cup of sweet cherry tomatoes in half for a burst of fresh and juicy flavor. Next, slice 1 cup of Kalamata olives. Slice 4 Persian cucumbers into thin oval shape. Their crisp texture, narrow shape, and thin skin make them perfect for a fresh and flavorful Cobb salad. Slice 2 avocados into strips, then drizzle with the juice of half a lemon. This helps keep the avocado fresh and prevent them from browning. Next, prepare the romaine lettuce by cutting it in half, then chop them into bite-sized pieces. Transfer the chopped lettuce to a salad spinner, rinse thoroughly, then spin until completely dry for a crisp, fresh salad base. Now it's time to assemble the salad. Arrange all the ingredients in neat, colorful strips over the romaine lettuce to create a fresh, vibrant, and visual appealing salad. Cherry tomatoes, cucumber pieces, Kalamata olives, avocado, chicken, egg, and crumbled feta cheese. Layer everything over the bed of romaine lettuce, creating a beautiful, colorful Cobb salad that's as delicious as if it's fresh. Finish by sprinkling freshly chopped dill over the top for a bright aromatic touch that adds extra freshness and flavor. Our fresh, vibrant salad is best finished with a light, refreshing dressing. In a jar, combine 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon dry oregano, 1 teaspoon fresh cracked black pepper, 1 teaspoon sea salt, and 3 cloves of pressed garlic. Add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar to balance the acidity of a red wine vinegar. Secure the lid on a jar and shake vigorously until all ingredients are fully combined into a smooth, well emulsified dressing. Your protein-packed Cobb salad is now ready to be served and enjoyed.
Delicious. Thumbs up. Very, very refreshing and very light dinner. Please follow this recipe and share it with your friends and family, and give me a thumbs up and write me a comment. Thank you for watching. Bye.